Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. Today this is the first video of me doing class 8 maths. For today we are going to do maths class 8 chapter 1 rational number. So before doing exercise 1.1, I will be giving you the notes of exercise 1.1. So before doing this chapter rational number, you should know about these few things that I have wrote. Natural number, we denote natural number from capital N, that's 1, 2, 3 up to infinity. Whole number, we write whole number as indicate whole number as capital W, which starts from 0, 1, 2 and it continues. Integer, from this we indicate from this which comes from -3 and from you know only. So what is a rational number? Those numbers that can be expressed in the form of p by q, where q is not equal to 0, that is called a rational number. Example, 2 by 3, 1 by 7. These are some examples of rational number. And one thing you should know, that all natural number, whole number and integers are rational numbers. And after this I will be showing you all the properties needed for this chapter. So these are some properties for addition and multiplication. First is commutative property, that's a plus b, that states that a plus b equals b plus a. Also a into b equal b into a. Second property is associative property, that states that a plus b, a plus bracket b plus c equal bracket a plus b bracket close plus c. Also a into bracket b into c equals a bracket a into b bracket close into c. Third is distributive property, that states that a into bracket b plus c equals a into b plus bracket a into c. Also a into bracket b minus c bracket close equals a into b bracket close minus a into c. This is number 4, rule for 0, additive identity. It states if a plus 0 equals 0 plus a equal a. For example, if you add 2 plus 0 equals, if 2 plus 0 equals to 0 plus 2 equals 2. Please remember all these properties and we move to the next properties. See the 5 number rule for 1, multiplicative identity, equals a into 1 equals 1 into a equals a. 6 number multiplicative inverse, this equals a into a to the power minus 1 equals 1, or a into 1 by a equals 1. 7 number additive inverse, minus a equals bracket a plus minus bracket minus a equal a. Additive inverse of a equals minus a, additive inverse of minus a equals minus, it comes minus bracket minus a, that is a. Example, additive inverse of minus 7 is 7. So I'll be explaining this all properties in the following exercise 1.1. Let's start exercise 1.1. So let's start with exercise 1.1. See, the first question is asking, using appropriate properties, find number 1, minus 2 by 3 into 3 by 5 plus 5 by 2 minus 3 by 5 into 1 by 6. So we have to find this. Okay, solution. So we write solution. So first you can see this two. Wait, you just mark it like this. You can see common 3 by 5 and 3 minus 3 by 5 is common in these two terms. Okay, so you bring 5 by 2 to the left side. Okay, then you bring minus this whole term, minus 2 by 3 into 3 by 5, then this term minus 3 by 5 into 1 by 6. Okay, after bringing these two terms, you can see okay, and this see, after writing this, you can write in here after that this is commutative property. Okay, then you write 5 by 2. Okay, then you take minus 3 by 5 common from these two terms. Okay, as there is two terms, 3 by 5 and 3 by 5 in this are common in this two term. You have to common 3 by 5, then you take 2 by 3 plus 1 by 6. You might think why 2 by 3 is plus and in here minus 2 by 3, because there is a rule that minus a minus b equals minus a plus b. So here it is minus and here is minus. Okay, then we have to common 3 by 5, so 3 by 5 here. That's why if we multiply this again to here, it will come as same as this. So it has came plus. And you write beside this that this is distributive property. Then after that write 5 by 2 minus 3 by 5 bracket, take common from these two terms, that is 6. Here it will come 4 plus 1, then 5 by 2 minus 3 by 5 into 5 by 6. Okay, you can cut this 5 3 ones are 3 2s are 6. So next point, 5 by 2 minus 1 by 2. You take common this 2, then this will come 5 minus 1, and the answer will be 4 by 2. Okay, then you cut this for 2 by 2, 2 ones are 2, 2 2s are 4, so the answer will be 2. And this is your final answer of this question. Then let's move off this. You can see it clearly, you can note it. Now we will be doing question number 2, which I have wrote here. So I will rub this. So this is question number 2, which states 2 by 5 into bracket minus 3 by 7 bracket close minus 1 by 6 into 3 by 2 plus 1 by 14 into 2 by 5 into 2 by 5. So we write, see, in this question we have this term and this term. Okay, we have common as 2 by 5 and 2 by 5 in this term, in these both terms. So we will take this term in the beginning, we'll take this term in the left hand side. So minus 1 by 6 into 3 by 2, then plus 2 by 5 into minus 3 by 7, then plus 1 by 114 into 2 by 5. Okay, this is one term, this is that term, and this is this term, and this is this term I have wrote here. Okay, after that you can cancel, after that you can cancel this 306. Okay, and then you can multiply, you will get minus 1 by 4 plus, you can take common from these two terms, 2 by 5, so 2 by 5 comes here, and then 3 by 7 in bracket, because it has minus sign we can't write it with if we have to give bracket if we have minus sign, then plus 1 by 14 curly bracket close. See, then then we will do minus 1 by 14 plus 2 by 5. We will take LCM 14, this will come minus 6 plus 1 bracket close, minus 1, then minus 1 by 4 plus 2 by 5 into, then plus minus plus, it will come as minus 5 by 14. Okay, so we can cut this 2 by 14, 7s are 14, this 5 and this 5 is cut, so we'll get minus 1 by 4 minus, as in here we have minus plus minus minus, we'll get minus, so in here comes 1 by 7. Okay, 1 by 7. So I don't have place right here, so I'm doing it this side. So we got LCM as 28 7 into minus 1 bracket close minus 4 into 1. This comes as minus 7 minus 4 by 28, sorry. Then the answer will be minus 11 by 28. Okay, now this is the next question, question number 2, saying that write the additive inverse of each of the following. So these are the questions. I have wrote the questions in the board, so let's solve. The first question is saying that to find the additive inverse of 2 by 8. So we write, therefore we write additive additive inverse of 2 by 8 is minus 2 by 8. Oh, sorry, before doing this, there is a note that additive inverse of A equals minus A, and the additive inverse of minus A equals one more minus will come here, and the answer will be A. If there is minus A, the answer will be A. So the question says to find the additive inverse of 2 by 8. So we said add one more minus, so the answer is 2 by 8. So same here, I'll not be writing all the times additive inverse, so please you can understand the additive inverse of minus 5 by 9 is, see, the equals minus 5 by 9. One more minus will come, then this minus will cancel out, so the answer will be 5 by 9. This is the answer. Question number 3 says minus 6 by 5. Therefore the additive inverse of minus 6 by 5 is equals minus 6 bracket minus 6 by 5. That's to cancel, that's so minus cancel out and becomes 6 by 5. The answer is 6 by 5. Same here, therefore 2 by the additive inverse of 2 by 9 is 2 by 9. As there is minus here before, the minus is cancelled out and becomes 2 by 9. We move to question number 5, which is 19 by minus 6. Therefore 19 by minus 6, the additive inverse of 19 by minus 6 is 19 by 6. So we have completed question number 2 all the questions. So we move to question number 3. Question number 3 says verify that minus bracket minus x is equal to x. Question number 1 and 2, okay, we are going to do, and this is question number 1. Let's solve it. So we are going to take the left hand side which is given in here. This we are going to take. Given, oh wait, first we have to, okay, given x equal 11 by 15. Here LHS is this given, this we have to write in here, left hand side minus x, then next point we will write it minus bracket minus, then we will write this 11 by 15 bracket close. Say this minus came here and this minus came here, okay, then this minus and this minus cancel out, and the answer we'll get is 11 by 15. Therefore LHS equal RHS. Verified. The second question given, solution, okay, given x equal minus 13 by 17. Here LHS equal minus x. Now minus bracket, then minus minus within bracket minus, we'll write this term in here in place of x, minus 13 by 17 bracket close. Then this minus and this minus cancel out, you no need to cancel, you can write directly. Then this term is left, so the answer will be minus 13 by 17. So this is the answer of question number 4. We have to find the multiplicative inverse of the following. So question number 1, minus 13. 4, 1, solve. It says minus 13. Therefore the multiplicative inverse of minus 13 is 1 by minus 13. And then question number 2, this is minus 13 by 19. So therefore the multiplicative inverse of minus 13 by 19 is, I'm going to write the answer, you please write this sentence before writing the answer. So this answer will be 19 by minus 13. Okay, this is the answer. Then question number 3, 1 by 5. Question number 3, 1 by 5. Therefore the answer is, the multiplicative inverse of 1 by 5 is 5. 4 number question is minus 5 by 8 into 3 by 7. So before we have to find the multiplicative inverse, we have to multiply this term with this term and this term with this term. So 5 3s are 15, minus cancel out, so it becomes 15 by, so this will be multiply 56, and the multiplicative inverse of 15 by 56 is 56 by 15. So this is the answer of the question number 4. Then 5, minus 1 into minus 2 by 5. Okay, if we multiply this, it will come 2 by 5, minus cancel outs. Then the multiplicative inverse, therefore the multiplicative inverse of my 2 by 5 is 5 by 2. Okay, the next question number 6, minus 1. Therefore the multiplicative inverse of minus 1 is 1 is 1 by minus 1. So we have completed question number 4. We move to question number 5. Question number 5 says, name the property under multiplication used in each of the following. This is the number 1. This question you can relate with, I have done the solution here. See, 1 is multiplicative identity in this question. See, if you multiply this with 1, okay, and 1, then into, you can multiply with this, you will get the same answer as minus 4 by 5. So The answer is 1 is the multiplicative identity of this question. Second number, minus 13 by 17 into minus 2 by 7 equal to by 7 into minus 13 by 17. This property matches with commutative property, and this answer will be commutative property. 3 number, minus 19 by 27 into 29 by minus 19 equal 1. The answer of this question 3 number will be multiplicative inverse. You can cancel this with this and this with this, and the remaining answer will be 1. Question number 6. Multiply 6 by 13 by reciprocal of minus 7 by 16. We'll be doing this. Question number 6 says that 6 by 13 into reciprocal of minus 7 by 16. 7 by 16. The question says that 6 by 13 into reciprocal of minus 7 by 16 equals to 6 by 13 into reciprocal of 7 by 16 minus 7 by 16, which is 16 by minus 7. Okay, then we'll multiply this by this and this by this, so we will get 96 by minus 91, and this is the answer of question number 6. Now question number 7. Tell what property allows you to compare this as this. So we'll simply write this equal to this from the question. 1 by 3 into 6 bracket into 4 by 3 equal 1 by 3 into 6 into 4 by 3. Okay, this equals this. So the question says to find a property, therefore this property matches with associative property, and this is the answer of this, as this matches with this property matches with this question. Okay, now question number 8. Is 8 by 9 the multiplicative inverse of minus 1 by 8? Why or why not? Here minus 1 by 8 equal minus 9 by 8. Okay, this we have to solve this, which comes as minus 9 by 8. So the multiplicative inverse of minus 9 by 8 is 8 by minus 9. Therefore 8 by 9 is not the multiplicative inverse of minus 1 by 8. Now question number 9 says to find, and question number 9 is just the same. It is 0.3 the multiplicative inverse of 1 by 3. Why or why not? This is just this is true, and you can find the answer by yourself. And we are going to do question number 10 and 11. So question number 10 number 1 says the rational number that does not have a reciprocal. The rational number that does not have a reciprocal is 0. Question number 2. The rational number that are equal to their reciprocals is 1 and -1. Okay. Question number 3 answer is the reciprocal number that is equal to the negative is 0. Question number next we'll move to question number 11. Fill in the blanks. Number 1, 0 has dash reciprocal. 0 has no reciprocals. Question number 2, the number dash and dash are their own reciprocals. The number 1 and -1. The reciprocal of -5 is is 1 by -5. Question number 4, reciprocal of 1 by x, where x is not equal to 0 is x. Question number 5, the product of two rational numbers is always irrational. Question number 6, the reciprocal of a positive rational number is always positive. So after this question we end up exercise 1.1. so in this next video we will do exercise 1.2.